All right, so we are going to start with our GloFish, and this is a first grade project. The first thing that I do for my students is I always give them a starting point. So I have this, I have usually 4 diagonal lines. So what I'm going to show you guys now is we are going to use a curved line. And when we use a curved line, we're going to start on the top here. Just watch, please. And I curve it. It goes all the way to the end. I move it. Please don't do it yet. And what I am creating is kind of an apple shape, aren't I? And so I do it again, curve. I keep moving my paper, and I curve it. Now, I'm going to show you what it does not look like. So, if I have my lines here like this, right? If I do this, did I go all the way?
No.
How about this? No. So we want to do that one?
Yes.
All right. So go ahead and try that. I'm going to pause the video. All right. So our second part that we are going to do is we are going to make the head. And when we make the head, I am going to go in because the mouth is sticking out a little bit more. So I go in about an inch. I do that curved. And remember how we turned it? I turn it again. I go in an inch. I curve. I go again. Go in an inch. Curve. I go in about an inch and curve. So it looks like that. Instead of doing it on the top, we're doing it at the bottom, and we're going in a little bit. So go ahead and try that. I'm going to pause the video. All right. So for this section here, we are going to add a geometric shape. And what shape are the eyes usually, class? Go ahead and say it out loud.
Small.
Well, small, but is it a square or a circle?
Circle.
Circle. And I'm glad you said small. We don't want small. We want it big. And so, remember, this is the bottom. And so when I make the eye, I am going to make a big circle because you are painting these. And see how I am turning again? And it is okay if you put an eye on the wrong side, because guess what? I'm going to do it just so you can see it. I did it here. Is it okay still?
Yes.
Yeah. And so maybe. So you can see how I did both sides. So now, once you guys get all of this, I am going to give you a marker. You are going to trace the pencil line. So I did mine in marker, but when you trace yours with pencil line, did I color in at all, class? No. You're tracing, and once you get it all traced, your pencil line, should it look like mine? Yes. All right, so you guys go ahead. And now, you are going to do the eyes. When you're done with the eyes, you are going to use a marker and trace the pencil line. All right.